Hello everybody, welcome to Marilyn Korea's kitchen, and today I am going to make fruit cake. Okay, so I have taken in the vessel called half kg of butter, and this is half kg of sugar that I have powdered. I have to stir and make it one homogeneous mixture. Okay, for half kg maida, half kg sugar, half kg butter, I have to take 10 eggs. So I can break them directly into the vessel. Okay, this is half kg of all-purpose flour. I have to sieve it. Now while sieving, I have to put baking powder. Okay, 1 teaspoon for every quarter kilo. So since I'm having 2 quarter kilos here, I will put second here. Why do we sieve? Because there may be anything, unwanted things, and secondly, the baking powder should become one with the flour. Okay. Once more I will sieve. Yes. To make the baking powder mix with the flour. cardamom powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Then cake seeds. Then vanilla. Okay. Must not put more. One teaspoon cinnamon, cloves and pepper powder mix. It gives good flavor and aroma also. Okay, now I will put fruits which were soaked. Plums and all black currants I had soaked. So about 1/4 kilo. Yes. Yes. Now I'll pour it in the containers. Come closer. Tilt it. Lift it higher. Make it straight. I shook it because all the air that is trapped inside should come out. Yes. Welcome to my channel, and at last my cakes are come from the bakery. I'm going to cut. Wilson, come. Mr. Korea, come taste the cake. Wow. Very nice. See the fruit. Wilson, come. It's very warm. ते ये अंगा खा आणि पळे. You taste and you tell me honestly. Hold underneath. Hold your hand down.
Cut the paper.
Yes. Eat and tell me exactly. Hold your hand.
Very nice.
Take.
Very tasty.
Now, wait. You want to eat?
Yeah.
Tell me how nice it is. Right amount of vanilla and everything. Very tasty. You have to put it in the tin.